Testing a rough diamond at home can help you get an initial idea of whether a stone is a real diamond or just a common mineral. While professional gemological tests are always the most accurate, there are several simple home methods that can be useful for basic identification. Below are 5 easy and practical ways to test a rough diamond at home. 1. Visual inspection. Test. A real rough diamond usually has a natural, uneven shape with sharp edges and a greasy or oily surface. It often looks dull rather than shiny and may have visible inclusions or imperfections. Tip. If the stone looks perfectly smooth, rounded, or glass-like, it is likely not a diamond. 2. Transparency test. Place the stone on a piece of paper with printed text underneath. If you can clearly read the text through the stone, it is probably not a diamond. Real diamonds refract light strongly, making text appear blurred or invisible. This test works best on flat surfaces of the stone. 3. Scratch test. Use with caution. Diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth. Try scratching a piece of glass with the stone. A real diamond will leave a clear scratch without being damaged. Warning, this method may damage both the stone and the glass and is not recommended for valuable samples. 4. Density water test. Fill a glass with water and gently drop the stone inside. A real diamond will sink quickly to the bottom due to its high density. Fake stones may float or sink slowly. This test is simple but should be combined with other methods for better accuracy. 5. Heat resistance test. Diamonds are highly resistant to heat. Heat the stone using a lighter for about 30 to 40 seconds. Immediately drop it into cold water. A real diamond will remain intact, while fake stones may crack or break due to thermal shock. Safety note: perform this test carefully and avoid using it on stones you believe are valuable. Final thoughts: home tests can provide basic clues, but they are not 100% reliable. Many fake stones can pass one or two tests. For accurate identification, always consult a certified gemologist or use professional testing equipment.